Charles Herbert, and I'm in Houseboat. And I want to tell you, this is the best picture I've ever made in my entire career. There's lots of other good actors in this picture, like Cary Grant. He's our dad. Maybe you've seen him in pictures before. Besides us in the family, there's someone else nice in the picture. Sophia Loren. She's a girl. The way we meet is, well, she picks me up at a dance. And the next thing you know, she's a maid. But you know something? She sure doesn't act like other people's maids. We just can't understand why my father wants her around. Anyhow, there's lots of other stuff in this picture. That's more fun than kissing. It's real good, honest. I just can't wait till I grow up so I can understand it.